Adding a banner image at the top of your profile is a great way to introduce your brand to other businesses. To add a banner, find and click the button that says Upload a banner graphic above your business name at the top of your profile. A pop-up will open where you can start uploading your image by clicking Upload. Find the image file saved on your computer in JPEG or PNG format and upload it to your profile. Once uploaded, you can resize your photo by using the corners of the image. You can also choose your crop by clicking and dragging the blue box. Finally, you can use the horizontal cursor to zoom in and out of the image. And if you'd like to start from scratch, you can also reset your image by clicking Reset. Once you're happy with your image and how it looks in the preview section, click Confirm. Then click Save, and you're all set. You now have a brand new banner image that will help your profile look awesome. If you have any questions, check out our help center at support.alignable.com, or feel free to reach out to your community manager.